here at the Department of Linguistics and the Vice Chairman on Appropriation at Federal House of Representatives.
Thank you.
Rally, state rally, not even local government rally, but never had one weekend. No job and they can. They get it, but they and they have to say here. Auto twin may walk, and they have to say here. And they were former vice chancellor. And they put in, and they put in the Higere, Okpudo Ikeji to Jan Mekelewo. Makanai one day, I wonder who. Goodwill message him, they were very short. I'm as for another day. Ohio, Unoka. So, Chairman of the occasion, I recognize you. Ndo Lobi Yaribi, headed by Onisu Lubia Okabuehuko and Mekelunesibo. Our invited academics, very, very distinguished Nigerians here present, members of the press, distinguished ladies and gentlemen. It gives me very great pleasure welcoming you to this year's Okpudo Annual Lecture Series on the Ikeji Edda people. Just about a year ago, we held the maiden edition of this lecture series themed the festivalization of yam culture and modern experiences among Ehugo and Edda of southern Nigeria. That inaugural lecture was effectively and successfully anchored by no less a person than Dr. Ara Oko, the director, Center for Igbo Studies, Alex Ekweme Federal University, Igbo. Today, we are witnessing the second edition with lecture by no less a personality than Professor Ngozi Ugo Mwobia, Dean Faculty of Arts and Humanities, Ebonyi State University. This year's event is themed Aho Jengeje, the nexus of language, culture, and gender dynamics in Iriji, Ehugo, and Edda festivals. Let me, at this point, emphasize that the core utility of the lecture series is to document, educate, and deepen our knowledge and appreciation of our culture, which I believe is necessary for our present and future development as a people. It is also aimed at highlighting the common bond, identity, and heritage of the peoples of Edda and Ehugo. The highlight of this year's lecture series will include the presentation of a book which is called The Bond, a study of intergroup relations between Afikpo, Ehugo, and Edda. This book or work is the outcome of the collaborative hard work of two sons of Edda and Ehugo, Dr. Roko and Dr. Ikenna, and my humble self, Right Honorable Igariwey'S, Iduma Igariwey. Well, let me point out that my contribution in this book is limited only to the last chapter of the book, titled The Contribution of the Legislature to National Development. Why I am pointing it out is, it is to that extent that I take responsibility to the facts, all the assertions made in that book. I will only take responsibility for the chapter I contributed. Every other responsibility will go to Dr. Arugo and Dr. Onya. So you want to get the limit to which I am responsible in that book. I wish to use this opportunity to thank the organizers of today's event, including all those who have done everything possible to achieve today's success. I am pleased and deeply honored by your esteemed presence. I thank God for bringing you here safely and pray that we all depart to our various homes in safety. Thank you and God bless.
Honorable Iduma Igariwey,
the next item here on the program, and that is the Ikeji lecture by Professor Edda and Wankwo. Dr. Wankwo is the head linguistics and Nigerian languages